वेलकम टू आवर शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर मैं आप सबको एक लीगल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूँगा। डिक्टेशन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट एपीएस के बेस पर होगा और इसकी स्पीड होगी 100 से 110 वर्ड के बीच में। ओके, तो सबसे पहले यहाँ स्क्रीन पे जो कुछ दिखाई पड़ रहा है एक बार उसे केयरफुली रीड आउट कर लें। और साथ ही साथ यदि आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आए, आप लिख पा रहे हैं, आपको बेहतर लग रहा है, तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक तो ज़रूर कर दिया करिए। इससे क्या होता है कि हमारा भी मोटिवेशन होता है कि आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहा है और भी डिक्टेशन आप चाहते हैं। ओके, सो बी रेडी। 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। द रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर्स 3 and 4 made an application to the prescribed authority for release of certain premises which were in the occupation of the appellants as tenants full stop. The ground on which the application for release was made was that respondents 3 and 4 bona fide required the premises for the purpose of their own use and occupation under section 21 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the UP urban buildings bracket open regulation of letting comma rent and eviction bracket close act comma 1972 full stop. The prescribed authority took the view that the bona fide requirement of respondents 3 and 4 was established and that greater hardship would be caused to respondents 3 and 4 if an order of eviction was refused than what would be caused to the appellants if an order of eviction was passed full stop. On this view, the prescribed authority passed an order of eviction against the appellants full stop. The appellants preferred an appeal to the district judge, Varanasi full stop. The learned district judge found in favor of respondents 3 and 4 on the question of bona fide requirement of the premises, but so far as the question of greater hardship was concerned, the learned district judge held that greater hardship would be caused to the appellants by passing an order of eviction than that which would be caused to respondents 3 and 4 by refusing to pass it full stop. The learned district judge accordingly allowed the appeal and rejected the application for respondents 3 and 4 for release of the premises full stop. Respondents 3 and 4 thereupon preferred a writ petition in the High Court of Allahabad full stop. The question of greater hardship was considered by the prescribed authority and the learned district judge in view of Rule 16 of the rules framed under the Act, and respondents 3 and 4, therefore, challenged the validity of that rule in that writ petition full stop. Since the question of validity of Rule 16 was a question of some importance, the learned single judge of the High Court, before whom the writ petition came up for hearing, referred this question to a full bench full stop. The full bench in a decision reported in Chandra Kumar Shah versus District Judge 1976 WC 50 held that Rule 16 was ultra vires the Act, and with this opinion of the full bench, the case once again came back to a single judge of the High Court full stop. The learned single judge, in view of this opinion of the full bench, held that the district judge was in error in considering the question of comparative hardship and remanded the case to the district judge for disposing of the appeal before him in the light of the opinion rendered by the full bench full stop. The appellants, being dissatisfied by this order of remand, preferred the present appeal with special leave obtained from this court full stop paragraph. Since the filing of the present appeal, the Uttar Pradesh legislature has enacted the UP urban buildings bracket open regulations of letting, rent and eviction bracket close within bracket amendment act, 1976, amending the principal act full stop. ओके, तो ये आपका 491 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन था। आप इसे कम से कम 5 बार लिखिए, तब इसके सारे वर्ड्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे, आउटलाइन भी आपकी क्लियर हो जाएगी। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।